LifeSouth is looking for people in North Alabama who have recovered from COVID-19. They are partnering with medical centers to collect plasma from recovered patients to transfuse to critically ill COVID-19 patients to help with recovery. The treatment is considered an investigational new drug by the FDA. The plasma may contain antibodies that could help fight the virus. Contact LifeSouth for more information.